How to fix wireless charging not working in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, restart the phone. So click the power button and volume down button at the time and power off phone. And after restarting, enter phone passcode. You will check your problem is solved. So if it not solved, so go to app library, click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it not latest, update your software latest. After updating, go back to home screen. So refresh phone. You will check your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, click on general, scroll down to end, click on transfer or reset iPhone and click on reset all settings, enter phone passcode, click on reset all setting. It's just reset all setting, it's not remove and clean your phone memory and data. After restarting, go back to home screen and you will check your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix wireless charging not working issue in iOS 26. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.